Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this statement chain link earring with a giant pearl drop hanging at the bottom. I used two different types of hooks to create this piece, so stay tuned to see the different variations. Grab your cutter. Use the cutter to cut the chain link. Should look like that. Now that both chain links are cut, we're going to be using a small round spacer bead. Put the spacer bead onto the head pin. Then put one of the pearls onto the head pin as well. The reason why we're using this small spacer bead is because the hole of the pearl is really big. So if you don't put the spacer bead, it will likely slip out, and we don't want that happening. Once the pearl is on the head pin, grab your flat nose plier and use the plier to bend the pin at a 90-degree angle. It should look something like this. Then you're going to cut the excess wire off. Grab your round nose plier and use the plier to curve and create a loop with the head pin. It's okay if it's not perfect the first time you do it. You can bend the wire and fix it as well. When you bend the pin and create a loop, don't close it off because you are going to attach the last link of the chain onto the pin. So it should look something like this. Then use your plier to close the eye pin shut on top of the chain. And as you can see, I still have a little bit of an opening left at the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is use my flat plier and close it shut, almost like you're closing a jump ring shut, bending it back and forth. It's very important to always make sure that the eye pin is fully closed over here, because if it isn't, there is a chance it could slip out of the chain. Then you want to repeat the same thing to the second chain as well. Once you have both pearls on the chain, attach your earring hook. In this case, I brought two different earring hooks for you guys to see. One of them has little steezies on them that adds a little bit more of a sparkle, and then we have a plain stainless steel base earring hook as well. So I'm going to apply one to each of them so you can see what both of them look like on. Next, use your set of pliers to open up the jump ring, then attach the jump ring on the top of the chain link, and use your set of pliers to close it up. Pass it and then come back to where they meet. It's really important to hear that click. Then I'm going to use a smaller jump ring to attach it to the bottom of the earring hook, then attach the earring hook to the jump ring that we attached onto the chain. Then use your set of pliers to close it up. And here's what the first one looks like. And repeat the same thing to the opposite side using the other hook. So here's what the earrings look like on. This is the plain gold earring hook, and this is the CZ earring hook as well. We also carry these stunning earrings that are pre-made chain links, so it has the same effect as the one that I created with the earring hooks, but it is smaller and shorter. You can also recreate the same exact look using this pre-made earring and then just attaching the pearl drop at the bottom. This one would probably be lighter on the ear and less of a statement, but I think both options are stunning. You can use this idea to use any type of chain of your choice to create this earring look. You can also find all the rings that I'm wearing in the video down below in the description. I'll be linking all of them, and all the components that I used to create this piece are 18 karat gold plated, either over stainless steel or brass, so the quality is amazing. I'll be linking all the tools and all the items that I used in this video down below in the description, so you can click the link and shop all these products to create your own amazing design.